Hey everybody, it's Texture here, and today I'm going to be doing something that I haven't actually really done before. I'm going to be doing a tutorial, but not just any tutorial, a tutorial for the MCForge Minecraft Classic Server software. Now, just for the record, I am a MCForge developer, so feel free to ask me any questions about the software in the comments if you want. But I better recommend that you just go to the MCForge website, mcforge.net. Go on the forums, sign up there, and you can ask all the questions you want there. If you have bug reports or just want to get praise, blah blah blah, then that's where you go. But anyways, on to the point here of this video. I'm going to be showing you how to set up the new Lava Survival game mode, designed by me. And yeah, because there seems to be a lot of confusion about this, because I've got people saying that lava's not spawning. Well, this is because you have to set it up. Yeah, it's a slight design flaw, I know. Sort of, not really. Anyways. But yeah, this video should clear up any confusion. So first of all, you cannot configure new maps from the GUI. That is not possible. You cannot set them up through the properties window because you need to set the block spawn positions. In order to do that, you have to be in-game and use the command. By the way, I hope you're enjoying the view of this grass map and some water and clouds off in the distance. So beautiful. Water's not even animated. Well, the edge water anyway, I'm not even sure why. Anyways, on to the point here. So, first of all, the command is /lava survival. Or, as I like to use, yeah, I put that. But I like to use /ls. So as you can see here, these are the settings. These are all the things you can use. Go, take to the map, info is current, blah blah blah. You can read all of that. But what we're worried about is setup. Map, block, safe zone, settings, map settings. The one we're gonna worry about first is map. Now first you need to add the map to Lava Survival before you can configure it. You'll do this by typing /ls map. And then the map name, my map here, I have here is called Tutorial 1. Oops. /ls setup map, sorry. And there we go, we now have the map added so we can configure it. Hooray for static views of clouds and grass. Now, to configure the first thing you're going to want to configure is the block positions. /ls block. Oops. ls setup block. And you can set the flood position. This is for flooding the entire map. Or the layer position. This will be the base point of where you want all the layers to flood from. They will flood above this point, but never below it. Now, layer flood is, well, basically imagine the lava flooding. It'd be easier to explain in the video, but it's basically the lava floods from a certain point in layers of, like, you can set the layer height, it's not like one block, and they flood sequentially from bottom to top, they don't just go randomly. If you're still confused, just go look up a video, you'll figure it out. Or you can just try it out, blah blah blah. Anyways, we're going to set the flood position. So, now that we have that done, you can place or destroy the block you want to use as the spawn point. I'm going to be using the point up here above the spawn. I'm just going to make a block to use, so it's /pl. Click it. There we go. It's position set. And the layer flood position works the same way. I'm just going to use this corner over here. This corner, because it's 0, 0, because I like that. And there we go. Now, for other settings. The safe zone is what we're going to want to set next. Oops. Now, the safe zone is an area where lava will not flood at all. Like, the lava cannot flow in there. In fact, liquid physics do not work inside the safe zone. But I've got a bit ahead of myself. I need to create some points for me to use for the fort. I'll just use that. It'll work just fine. Dandy. And we'll just set those positions. Use that 2 positions. Now that region we just specified is the safe zone. Let's get rid of this. Now that's pretty much all you really need to set up for the map to work properly. However, there's a lot more. Now, settings is just like global settings for lava survival. Keep in mind that the rank things cannot be set from in-game. That's a security feature, which I might change later. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, but what we're really worried about here is map settings. I'll just type in it and I'll show you the current map settings. So you can see there's quite a lot of things. The last 3 are set up using different commands, but they're shown here. So, we're just going to start the round on this map. I don't need to /ls go. And the flood's gonna take a minute, so I'm just gonna skip ahead. Editing powers, activate! And there we go. Apparently this round is water. Okay, that's interesting. Actually wasn't expecting that. Don't worry, lava will usually be what you get. Well, it actually depends on the settings you use, what am I saying? Join my fancy random flow physics that I made. Actually works quite well. Water's still laggy as frick, but what do you expect? It's water. Flows way too fast. In fact, I think it's lagging right now. Yep. That won't go through for a minute. Oh hey look, there's a safe zone. Yeah, you see how that works. You cannot get water to work in here. Just simply won't happen. Epic wall of water. But yeah, that pretty much covers everything you need to know. What? Oh great, it's killer. That's nice. Now we're gonna be in an epic spaz of death. /INV. Okay, there we go. I didn't realize it was killer until it started doing that. What did I set the settings on anyway? Well, you can't check it here around. Another flaw that I couldn't easily fix. But yes, there you go. So let's just /unflood. All gonna work nicely. There we go. Spam. And just show you lava for the sake of doing it. Now this is actually quite slow, so editing powers, activate! You know what, screw it. Nobody cares. You can just look at lava yourself. I don't even know why I'm showing you this. So, that pretty much covers everything you need to know. We're gonna end this off here with the epic ball of lava. Hope this helps out all the people who are confused about why their lava flood isn't working. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want, blah blah blah, all that other junk that people usually say. And I'll see you guys later.